Antiseptic properties. A lemon's aroma contains antiseptic properties, which can influence your state of mind. This means that the aroma of the fruit can help you to experience fewer bouts of depression and anxiety attacks, and creates a positive atmosphere in the room. The only thing you need for this trick is a couple of lemons. Cut the top off one lemon and place it upright, with the cut bit up. Next, take a sharp knife and cut into the top of the fruit both ways, like in the picture on the first page. Take care not to sever the parts completely. Place the cut lemon in a bowl next to your bed and let the aroma do its work. If you want this trick to be even more effective, you can place a bowl with a cut-up lemon in every corner of the room. Concentration. 2 halves. As if feeling more relaxed and less anxious isn't enough of a reason to try this trick, we've got another benefit for you. Inhaling the citrus aroma of the yellow fruit will stimulate your mental activity. You become more concentrated when you smell this aroma every day, and your memory will improve as well. Bringing a bunch of lemons to your workplace is a good idea too, because people make fewer mistakes and work more effectively when there's a lemony smell around.